Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. And in this video, we're going to talk all about Exitus Elite, on why I believe it is the best affiliate business out there. And just recently, our terrific owner, Paul Stevenson, announced that very soon he's going to show us the new updates that are coming to Exitus Elite. This is an 8-year business that's been running strong for 8 years. Paul Stevenson is always looking for us members and us affiliates. He's always putting us first and making sure that we have all the tools and all the training that we can possibly ever need to find success online. And these announcements are going to be the biggest update to this system in 8 years. That's how it describes it. But I'm going to show you something right here, real quick. A friend of mine just not too long ago, on March 11th, made a $2,000 commission, and I am so happy for him. I've done many businesses with him over the years, and he's taught me so much, and I'm so glad I joined Exitus Elite, and I want to thank you, Sean, for everything that you have done for me over the years. And this is basically just for illustrational purposes only, this to show you what's possible with Exitus Elite. So in Exitus Elite, we can make up to $2,000 instant commissions to the payment processor of your choice. So you can choose more than one payment processor. You can PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, Stripe, whatever it is that you want to use. And this is what's possible with this business. This is a life-changing opportunity. If you're in Easy One Up or Infinite Processing System or something like that, I forget what it's called. Somebody else that I know is part of that opportunity. But whatever other businesses that you're in, if you want something to supplement your current business, Exitus Elite is the perfect platform. You don't have to worry about it being shut down anytime soon, because Paul Stevenson, the owner, even 8 years later, is about to announce his biggest update to this platform. And so this is an all-around great platform. We have a great owner, and I'm just so excited that I've joined Exitus Elite. So we're going to come to this page right here. Now, in Exitus Elite, we have 5 product levels. We have the G100, the G250, the G500, the G1000, which I came into, and the G2000. And each product level gives you multiple online courses that you can use to become a seasoned pro at marketing any business that you ever want to promote in the future. G250, we have more training here. The G500, more training here. The G1000, more training here as well. And the new one, the G2000, you got more training here as well. So in Exitus Elite, Exitus Elite never holds our money. So how we get paid our commissions is we end up paying each other our commissions. So this is how you would purchase the product. So we're going to use the example of the G1000, the product level I came in, and the most popular product in Exitus Elite. There's a 90% ratio of people coming in at the G1000 than any product level. And I'm going to explain to you over the course of this video why that is. So when I came into Exitus Elite, I paid the membership fee, and then I paid my sponsor their commission. So it says right here, this is a yearly membership fee. We do not take any automatic payments on renewal. So when it comes time to renew at your Exitus Elite, it's totally up to you whether you want to renew it or not. You can guarantee I will every year because I love this platform. And I've never been this excited about anything that I've done up to this point. as much as Exitus Elite. Important to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So you're going to pay your sponsor their commission. So you pay the admin fee and then you pay your commission up to your sponsor. Now in Exitus Elite, we get it's a one-up compensation plan. So what that means is when you make your first product sale, like I did not too long ago, that first commission sale gets passed up to your sponsor. So that's what they call your first sale is your qualifying sale. So if you come right here to my dashboard, you can see G1000 and qualified. So I'm now qualified to make these $1,000 commissions. And on top of that, I can make all these other commissions at the lower product levels as well, because when I came in at the G1000, all these product levels came to me at no extra cost. So that includes the commissions I can make and any possible pass-ups as well, and all the training that I get in the products as well. That's what I got with the purchase. Now, that's how the compensation plan works. So, but the same thing's going to happen to you. So, when your referrals start making their first product sales, those $1,000 commissions are going to get passed up to you as well. Again, I'm using the G1000 as the example. So you're going to make your regular $1,000 commissions plus the pass up commissions from your referrals first sales. So another reason why I joined the G1000 is, let's say you came in here at the G100. So you couldn't, that's all you could afford, that's fine. But let's say you made a G1000 sale. Now what's going to happen? You're still going to make the $100 commission due to you, but what's going to happen is the remaining $900 is going to get passed up to the next person qualified, which is me right here. So I'm going to get that, what they call it, a pass up or an override. So you get your $100 commission and I get the remaining $900 because I'm qualified at the G1000 level. And that goes for any of the other product levels. So if you make a G1000 sale at the G250 and the 500, same thing's going to happen. So, but you're always going to make your commission off of each sale that you make, no matter what product level it is. So that's how the compensation plan works, how the commissions work as well. So I recommend you come in here at the G1000, but if you can't afford to, come in at any of these lower levels as well. At the G500 and up, those are the only levels where you're going to pass up your first commissions. So what's going to happen is at the G100 and the G250, all your commissions are yours. There's no pass-ups at these lower levels. But the reason for that is because, and this is why I love Exitus Elite, it's always looking after us members, it's to make sure that you can make as much money as possible, so it'll give you the ability to finally upgrade to the next product levels. Now, if I wanted to upgrade to the G2000, all I'm going to do is pay the difference for what I already purchased. So, and this goes for all these other levels here as well. But since I'm at the G1000 level, I'm going to use that as the example. So let's say I want to upgrade to the G2000. What's going to happen is, when I came in at the G1000, I paid $299 for the membership fee and $1,000 to the commission. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to minus $299 from the membership fee and $1,000 from the commission. So you only pay the difference what you already purchased. So, and the other thing is too, no matter if you come in at the G100, G250, the G500, the G1000, or the G2000, you're going to get my team bonus training here. This is a friend of mine. He actually created this training to give out to our team. So you can give this same exact training out to your team to help them get started as well. And at Generation 1, you got 27 videos here that you can watch. And then you also got questions and answers here. These are also videos that are broken down for you to watch. And then Generation 2, you got some Craigslist training, mega swipe file page, Instagram training, and here's a solo ad vendor that you can use to, if you want to buy traffic for your Exitus Elite business as well. And then you got this mega swipe file, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. And then you got all this training down here as well. This is some of my friend's best training here. And he's a six-figure earner, and he's been with Exitus Elite for 6 years, so he definitely knows his stuff. So the mega swipe file page right here, we're also going to give you this right here. You can use all these links to advertise Exitus Elite on all these sites here. And we also provide the ad copy. So we add the headlines to the ads. And we also have the ad bodies here as well. So you can copy and paste them into your ad. And you can also tweak them as you see fit. And then we also have some Craigslist scripts. So if you want to do some advertising on Craigslist, you can use these scripts right here. We also include the tags. And we also have some Facebook scripts that you can use and edit as you see fit when you advertise on Facebook. And then here's some pointers from my friend on how to advertise on Facebook. And then you got our team ad art right here. Now you can use these if you don't have any credibility and you just got started. If you want to show people for illustrational purposes what's possible with this business, you can use these, and you can say a friend of mine or a person I know is making this kind of money in this business. So these are just examples of what's possible with this business. 31,000 in 13 days. And with this business, that is very possible because you can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions in this business. So here's some more examples here. And then this one right here was a commission a friend of mine made back in November of last year. And then we got some more stuff here as well. So that's Exitus Elite. I absolutely love this business. And if you want to contact me, all my contact information is in the description below, as well as my Facebook link. So send me a friend request, and also send me a friend request, and you can also contact me through the Facebook Messenger app as well. And you can send me a text, or you can also call me. There's a phone icon inside the Facebook Messenger app, so you can also call me that way as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's everything I want to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video because I am very excited about Exitus Elite, including the huge updates that are coming to the platform very soon. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your night or day, and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.